Hey, what's up? All right, guys, I got so much to cover in the next 24 hours, so let me be very clear. Today is one day where I'm going to go over a whole lot of good and important information you need to know because there's going to be changes. But tomorrow, I have a big explosive announcement to make, something that a lot of you guys have been asking about. I'm going to do that one on tomorrow, which is January 1st, so be prepared to watch tomorrow's video, okay? Today, though, let me cover a couple of things that's going to be very, very important. Number one, and this is just a side note, for those who are still interested in purchasing any of our trading systems, today is officially the last day. Even if you send me a sad story or not, that's it. Because we really were supposed to cut the discounts off for Christmas. But then, like I said, there was a story that came in from a person who touched my heart. And I said, you know what? I understand. So I said, you know what, I'll just let it ride until the end of the year. So today is New Year's Eve. So if you're interested in getting the Ocean Wave trade system or any of our trading systems, today is your last day to get those discounts, and the discount codes are showing accordingly. The Simplicity system has $50 off. The Ocean Wave trade system has $50 off. The EZ scanner is 50% off. 2EZ system is 50% off. So today is officially the last day. Starting tomorrow, the codes will be removed and you will not be able to get those discounts, okay? So just make sure if you want that, that's cool. All right, let's move on to something else. And I'm going to be covering news events. You do want to know what's coming up on this up and coming week, so hang tight. Do not try to, just dip out because you're going to miss very, very important information, especially on news events that's coming up on this new January week. Okay, that's coming up ahead. So hang tight. Also, we will be, if you want to join our signal service, by the way, let's take a look at these numbers. This is ridiculous. Mr. Elvis or Dr. Elvis is just killing the game again and again and again, week after week after week. So last week they did 12 wins, only 3 losses, and so forth. Okay. The point is, we will be increasing the price. It will not stay at the $69 price like it's been. We kept it at that price for years, and it's going to go up by 20 bucks. It's not much, but it is 20 bucks. So starting tomorrow, it will go to $89 a month. But, hold tight, because I can see your teeth clenching. Why are you doing that? Hold on, baby. Slow down. Hold on. One of the things we are doing, we're increasing the value as well. Let me show you guys this. Let me see if I can get to it. We're going to be introducing... Here we go. We're going to be introducing a lot of new tools for you guys. What we're going to be doing is having a tool suite for you guys. Oh, there it is. We're going to have a tool suite for you guys for those who like to trade on your own. More trading tools will be available. And see, as you can see, it's going to be free to all members. And it's going to be available for the MT4 and the MT5, okay? We're still tightening up, waiting, and this is from our six-figure coach, which, by the way, I'm going to change her name from six-figure coach to million pip coach, okay? Because not only did Dr. Elvis just smack the markets around for you guys, but in the live sessions with Miss Jenny, they've done over 1 million pips since we started our signal service. I can't think of any other company on the planet who can boast about something like that. Okay. But we're going to have a tool suite available for you guys, and we'll give you more information when these are ready. We're just waiting for them to be cleaned up and also licensed out so that we can make sure that it's only available to our signals members. So again, yes, we are increasing the price, but we're also increasing the value of what you're going to be getting in the signals group. So today is your last day. If you join today, it'll be locked in forever at this $69 price. If you decide you want to quit and come back later, you're going to pay the higher price. So again, today is the last day for you to get the signal service at the $69 price. This is far cheaper than so many other services out there. We should have been raised the prices. Some of them charging $150, $200 a month, and they're not even coming close to the results that we're giving. So it's time to show our value. If you see it's valuable, you'll stay. If not, that's fine. But again, just to be clear, if you are already a part of the signals group, your price will remain at the $69 forever as long as you do not unsubscribe. Okay. If you ever unsubscribe and you want to come back later, then it will be at the increased price of the $89. And again, it's only 20 bucks difference. Not much for a lot of people. But the point is that, it's time to increase it because we're going to be bringing all these new trading tools. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 or 6 trading tools to you guys. In addition to, and also the daily dot, those who love the daily dot, that's also, we're working on the MT5 version of getting that license. So you have the MT4 version and the MT5 version. All these will be made available to you for the $89 a month. So you'll be receiving at least 10 to 12 signals a week. Okay. From Dr. Elvis. You'll still be able to attend the live sessions with Miss Jenny twice a week. And you're going to have an entire tool suite made available to you to put on your charts at no additional cost. Okay. So all of that is going to be packed into the value of the $89 a month. So, again, but if you want this available to you now, get the $69 and it's still, all these things will still be added to you at no additional cost. Okay. So today is your last day. Procrastinate, complain, whatever you want to do. But if you wait until tomorrow, sorry, baby, I tried to tell you. Okay. All right. Let me see if there's anything else. Don't forget tomorrow. I have a huge announcement for tomorrow. Okay. Don't forget that. Now let's get into the news, the facts, and the data. So on this week, there's a bunch of news events, a bunch. Okay. But the main ones is the ones that I highlighted to make sure that you guys know what I'm going to be paying attention to. And the first one is coming on Wednesday, which is the FOMC minutes. What happened is the Feds hinted or stated or whatever that they're going to leave the interest rates alone and possibly lower them. So I heard. So the market went nuts. It really did. The dollar dropped. All the AUD, USD, the Euro USD, all those pairs, they shot up like a rocket. Everything went crazy. The markets went just nuts. The US 30, the NAS, the S&P 500, all of those went up and the dollar crashed. Okay. They work inverse. When the dollar goes up, all the rest of them go down. Okay. So when the dollar crashed because of that announcement, instantly the market reversed and boom, everything crashed. So here's the point. Point is that I don't know what they're going to be talking about on Wednesday. And so therefore it is on my radar. I want to be very careful of trading because if they open their mouth and say something and you're in some USD pairs, this market could drop like a rock or it could shoot up like a bottle rocket. Okay. It can go for either way. So just be aware of that. Then you have the Euro coming out and the Euro has tons of news this week. Oh my God. It's like they just packed it in. They got so much news. The main ones that I'm paying attention to is going to be on Thursday and Friday. They have the inflation rates for several of their Eurozones. Okay. The basket of countries that make up the Eurozone. So they have a ton of inflation rate news coming out. So just be aware of that. And then on Friday, and anytime I'm starting to notice that anytime there is NFP, you'll have the JOLT job numbers or the ADP job reports that comes out on Tuesday or Wednesday, something like that, to kind of warm you up to an idea of what it's going to be like. And then you have NFP on Friday. Okay. Here's the interesting thing about NFP news during the holidays. They boast about how many jobs were created because sometimes the jobs are created, but a seasonality because, you had a holiday. So of course, a lot of companies are hiring people. You get what I'm saying? They're hiring people to facilitate for the holiday season. So I wouldn't be surprised if the numbers came out better than what they normally would be, which would be great for the economy. But then after the holidays are over, meaning January 1st, starting tomorrow, then what happens, because it's just seasonality jobs. So anyway, either way it goes, NFP is on Friday. So these are the news events that I'm looking forward to. So again, guys, make sure that you're paying attention to tomorrow's video. I got a huge announcement. Huge. Can you say huge? Huge announcement. Also, I can't wait to meet with you guys on Wednesday's class. I missed my Wednesday's class. We were traveling last week, so I couldn't do Wednesday's class, but I'm going to be happy to just start fresh with a new year with you guys and go over some charts together. Okay. And if you have any questions, just shoot me an email to superezforex@gmail.com. Or better yet, just wait till Wednesday class, because normally I don't try to answer a lot of questions through email because it get too difficult and lost in translation. And we sending back 20, 30, 40 emails when I could have just talked to you in class and we could have had this matter resolved in 2 minutes. I can't tell you the number of times I tried to respond to a person and try to answer their questions. Well, you don't understand what I'm talking about. Well, I guess I don't. 15, 20 emails later, I don't know what you're talking about at this point. I don't really care. I'm just playing. But once we get in class and I actually talk to you, it's like, okay, we resolved the issue in 2 minutes. Well, it ain't an issue, it's just a question. A lot of times they just have trading questions, and I can resolve it in 2 minutes and show you live on charts. So that's why I don't answer charting questions or trade questions or any of that stuff. That's why I backed off. I don't do that stuff through email no more. It's just way too difficult. And I could misunderstand what your question is, and now you're upset with me, and I don't want you upset with me, okay? So just come to class on Wednesday. It's every Wednesday, and you can talk live with me. I want to talk with you, and we can just go straight to the charts and cover whatever you have. So if you have trades that you've done and you won them, didn't win them, just got the trading systems, don't understand how to place a trade for the first time because you're brand new and all these things, that don't matter to me, man. Just come to class. I got you. Trust me. And just for an example, with newbies, we get these questions all the time. I don't know how to place a trade. Look, I can't tell you the number of times I did it in class where I show people in 30 seconds to 1 minute how to place a trade. And just like that, they know exactly how to do it. But if I was to explain it through email and you got to read all this, you probably wouldn't get it. Get what I'm saying? So that's why I said just come to class, and I don't care if you're brand new or you've been trading for 10 years. Either way it goes, just come to class. I'm more than happy to help. Okay, we're just a trading retail family. I'm more than happy to help. So just come to class on Wednesday, okay? All right, you guys. Talk to you later.